Hello folks, how you doing? It's old Des enjoying a cup of the old Darjeeling tea. Well, not real Darjeeling, just Tetley's. Anyway, in this little video, it's Christmas, isn't it? We've all been receiving presents and all that, I suspect, from loved ones and friends and the like. And all I want to do really is show you a present that I received off my lovely wife. And if I get straight to it, it is basically a binocular chest harness and or pouch, whatever you want to call it. Normally associated with the likes of the hunting fraternity and the like. When I was on the hunt for one of these, pardon the pun, but when I was on the hunt for one of these sort of Bino pouches, it always seemed to take me, when I was using my Google food skills, I was always looking, it always came up with a lot of American sites in purchasing one, and I kind of thought they were a lot of money. I would have bought one. I mean, I would have bought one until I found this one, and then some time ago I was in Decathlon, and I was looking at their Solognac range, which I believe is a French range of hunting gear and stuff like that. And I love buying stuff from Decathlon and in the Solognac range. If you're new to the Solognac stuff, check out Andy from Kent Survival, because he's done a few reviews on some of their clothing, on some of their winter clothing. I'll put a link in my description to go over and have a look at that particular video if you're unaware of who Andy is from Kent Survival. And basically, yeah. My wife bought me this chest harness. So basically, the idea of it is that you do away with the. I mean, you can buy these chest harnesses without the pouch that kind of hold the binos close to the chest. But what I like about this as well, it also kind of protects the binoculars as well. It's kind of like quite a strong sort of like a nylon material. There's a few sort of accessory straps on the front there that you can actually attach other pouches and all that kind of bit, a little bit like a mole kind of setup. There's also two little pouches on the side. You've got the lid, and then you've actually got the harness that kind of goes all the way around. And if the camera's picking that up, it's quite a nice comfy setup. There is a lot of play in the straps, so if you're wearing kind of a lot of heavier clothing, or if you're of a thicker set gentleman or lady, then there's a lot of play in the straps there to obviously make it bigger if you so wish. What I'll do, if I just show you now quickly the lid, it literally just flicks over from the front. It's on like a magnet, I think. Clips over the top there, and then inside it holds the binoculars. I've got a pair of these are the 10x42 Opticron binos, and now I've been able to take the chest, the normal neck strap off, and I've just left my spuds on there. All right, so that's my binos, and they fit in there really very, very neatly. All right, and then the leg just flicks over the top there, and there you go. And for the price it cost me, sort of £18. I think my daughter just bombed my video.
Hi.
So
they look good.
So yeah, so there it is. So there's a Solognac chest pouch. What I'll do is I've got the actual kind of dimensions up there. I mean, if you want to use your Google food skills, you can yourself and have a look. It's basically 14 centimeters wide by 6 inches deep by 17 centimeters high. Again, I'll put all that in the description. As I say, it's got a fully adjustable harness. And then the straps and everything else to sort of, keep it close to your chest if you are sort of, if you decide that you want to sort of run with it and all the rest of it to avoid that bouncing and all the rest of it. But I like the concept of these pouches and the Bino pouch itself, and for sort of 17-18 quid, that ain't too bad. I think it's quite a bargain compared to some of the other ones. Quality wise, it looks okay at my first impressions. I will be taking them out. I will be having them on me, and then we'll sort of put the pouch through its paces and see how it goes. So there it is, folks. That's a Solognac binocular chest pouch. That's sort of £18. We'll see the sort of quality and the and the reliability of it and the durability. So far they look okay on the first impressions. Straps are quite nice, as I say. The clips are well as well. So when you sort of put it on, you've got those sort of like, if you can see it there, you've got those little clips there that just click into the D-rings at the bottom, and it holds it quite nice and tight. You know what I mean? So we'll see how it goes. Alright, so that's the pouch. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you've done a recent video, the shelter one, if I haven't replied yet, please apologise. It's just that we've been busy over Christmas and all the rest of it. I will get back to you, and let me know what you think. Okay, so that's a new pouch by Solognac, Bino Pouch. Not affiliated with Solognac at all. I just like buying their stuff. I've not had any freebies off them or anything like that. I'm not getting a paid by them or any of that kind of stuff. It really is just showing you the pouch that I received off my wife for Christmas. Okay, so thanks a lot. Let us know what you think. Leave the comments, thumbs up and all the rest of it, and take care. Alright folks, so thanks for watching. All the best.